We got one. We get the money. We get the money. We get the moolah. We get the moolah. We get the peso. We get the peso. We get the netto. We get the netto. We get the skrilla. We get the skrilla. We hit the lotto. We hit the lotto. We get the bread.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a DIY project for Valentine's Day. So we're starting off with this, and our finished product is going to look like this. Okay, so basically today's video is featuring a company called Manly Man. It's a veteran-owned company based out of LA, and what they offer is gifts for men, like the little meat hearts that I have. They also have gift boxes. They also have like different unique customized gifts that you could order through them. I'll be sure to leave everything down in the description box below. So this is our original form of our gift here. Excuse the specs on my camera. I did not notice them until it was basically too late. So you guys are gonna have to ignore that spec for a little bit. So our lid comes off like this, and I really like the construction and craftsmanship of this lid. So it really just gave me more space and room in my head to create the look that I wanted to go for.
So all they do is fight. I tell her make me some money, she tell me make me a wife. I tell that bitch you crazy, fuck wrong with you. And excuse my French, but I'm a lone kisser. And then she try to tell me I'm the only one that's hitting. And I say what about them niggas? She say what about them niggas? You're right, what you doing tonight? Put on something tight, don't judge me, I get life. She love me like a brother, but fuck me like a husband. Pussy like a oven, too hot to put my tongue in. All I had to do was rub it, the genie at the bottom. Pussy so wet, I'ma need goggles. She tell me that it's none, I tell her stop lying. Mine and who else? She said worry about yourself, that's
So right now I'm showing you guys what I am creating with. This is just like a little piece of construction paper that I got from Hobby Lobby, I believe. I also have like a little gift bag, plastic wrap, which I didn't use actually. And I have some ribbon that I didn't use as well. But there are a few other items that I'll be showing a little later on in the video to complete this look. Okay, so here I'm just making sure that I position my lid to my box of chocolates or my box of meat. I just make sure I position it right so the pattern isn't upside down or anything like that. And I'm using a hot glue gun for pretty much everything in this video. I created or I crafted with a hot glue gun.
too bad you can't go and invest in fatigues. I'm in a week.
So once you are finished cutting your little paper around the top of your lid, this is what the finished product should look like. It should look something like this. So we are going to move on to the next step with our little cutouts. So basically here I just took a couple of cutouts. Well, just took a couple of photos of myself, printed them out and cut them out. I made sure to keep a little bit of the white background just for extra pop. So I'm just placing them where I want them to be, and then I'm going to hot glue gun them down. Now here I was using the glue stick, and honey, the glue stick was just not strong enough. So I went in with the hot glue gun and made sure that all of my pieces were good and secure. That way I didn't have to worry about anything falling off or being ripped off or anything like that.
Then they switch, yeah, they switch like fag. I was gonna paint the wine. They call me Whitney. I go to Hill 90. This is the baddest in school, the baddest in the game. Excuse me, let me pull the baddest in my lane. In New York, you was stuck in the Yankee. I was fucking with Maze, I'm rich and friendly. These bitches so cranky, people like Hanky. With my I'm cold, give me my blinky. Higher than the cake, I get higher than the keep the snow white. I ain't kind of funky. He's like pretty funky. Only I can hang the car and nothing up. I'm stealing. Pushing up the dealer. Full of toe boys, all stealer. Love sauce, I need a healer. Up is my back, concealer. Big deal. I'm a big deal. That's why I got more head than a big deal. I'm the man, she getting them unchained. I think I have a rap bitch from my untrained. Everything niggas bitch, shame my shoes. You know I keep a bad bitch, let me sing your boo. I'm the only thing hopping like a kangaroo. I mean the only thing hopping like a kangaroo. Listen, you should buy a 16, cause I rate it good. The 808 wolf, cause I rate it good. And bitches can't find a man, cause I rate it good. I'm no wolf, but I rate it good.
So once my pieces are good and secure, I have them where I want them and I've got them all glued down in place. What I'm going to do is move on to the next layer, which will be our little foil hearts and our alphabet words. Now the alphabet words I got from Walmart. I think they were like $3. And the foil hearts, I got a little pack of foil hearts from Temu. I don't even think that they were $1 total for those hearts, and I got like 3 or 4 packs of them. So here I'm just gonna use the red hearts as a contrast on top of the photos. It's gonna be basically like our backdrop to our alphabet letters, if that makes any sense. But it'll all come together once you see the finished product. So here I just used the toothpick to help me get everything aligned. I went off camera and I glued all of my pieces down, and this is what it looks like once it's been glued down and it's in place. And I'm just taking my tweezers to clean it up and get those little stringy parts of glue from around there, just to, you know, make it look a little bit cleaner. Okay, so you can leave your project pretty much as is. Like, you could just let it be like it is right now. But I took mine a step further, and I actually added some trim along the edges because I didn't really like the gap, and I really didn't like how it just, to me, it still kind of seemed a little naked. So I took it a step further and I added this trim. I got this trim from Hobby Lobby, and I want to say it was like $6 for 1.5 yards. Alrighty guys, so this is pretty much my finished product. I went in and I trimmed the edges of the trim that was left behind just to fit the box a little better. And as you guys can see, it is finally complete. I hope that you really enjoyed this video. I thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will definitely have some more content coming out. Again, thank you guys for tuning in. I love y'all, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Mwah.